What if I told you that in just a few weeks you could master digital fashion sketches and create jaw-dropping designs like these right from your iPad or laptop? No more wasting hours fixing mistakes, just professional, high-quality fashion designs at your fingertips. I know what it's like to feel stuck, trying to perfect a sketch but never getting it quite right, or spending hours rendering fabric only to realize they don't look realistic enough. Maybe you want to build a fashion portfolio, start freelancing, want to work with top brands, or someone making a switch from manual to digital, then I have the perfect solution. Hi, I am Sanyam Jain, a fashion designer and illustrator. I have worked with many brands and mastered the art of digital fashion illustration. Now I have put all my knowledge into a powerful course that will help you unlock full creative potential. Master Procreate if you are an iPad user, or master Photoshop if you have a laptop. Even if you do not know how to make a straight line, even if you have never used digital tools before, both courses are designed to take you from beginner to pro level. With a total of 56 powered sessions spread over 2 months, here is what you will learn step by step. Setting up your canvas with all the essential tools, concepts of lights and shadows, human anatomy, fashion croquis, front, back, side and 3/4, celebrity avatars, fashion faces, hairstyles, footwears, style lines and body movements, sketching garments considering gravity, angles and depth, different garment categories like casual wear, street wear, party wear, formal wear, evening wear, beach wear and even draped outfits. Rendering different fabrics, silks, satins, cottons, denims, sequins, fur, winter wear, knits, quilts, felts, accessories, textures and even fabric manipulation. Other things that you will learn are kurti sets, saris, lehengas, anarkalis, shararas, intricate bridal wear, couture and even avant-garde. And not only this, you will also learn how to develop your own style, how to add backdrops in your sketches, design process, how to make a CV and portfolio, and how to approach high-ticket clients to seal the deal. All within 2 months. You must be thinking, all this will cost you lakhs, right? Don't worry, think of it as an investment in yourself. Instead of spreading millions on fashion schools, you get all this knowledge in one place for a fraction of the price. Now worried about your busy schedule? Don't worry, this is a self-paced course. Learn at your own speed from anywhere, just like your favorite Netflix show. And you will get assignments for practice, feedback and even doubt clearing sessions with me. Imagine this, in just a few weeks you will be creating stunning professional illustrations. You will have a strong portfolio that impresses clients and brands. You will finally have the confidence to take your designs to the next level. This is your time. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Sports are filling fast and I don't want you to miss out. Over 1,000 plus students have already enrolled and transformed their skills with these courses. Are you next? Enroll today and get access to exclusive resources and templates. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Click the link below and start now. See you in the course.